Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It to 60. How much you got on you? It me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know what this channel is. Yeah, so today we're gonna be working on the CPP Classic Performance Products conversion. So with this conversion, you're able to run your C6 or C7 Z06 rotors. So I got the big Johnnies, Cadillac, Brembo. So 4-pot piston brakes. So got those from Paul. Shout out to Paul for that. Paul Genzali. And then got myself these. So we're gonna go through this box here shortly. So that's your new spindles, hub assembly, all that. Also a big shout out to Brendan for taking care of me. Let me get these off the 240. For many, I found 240 LS swap in it, so save me time and money. He's back, so that's gonna be the color scheme and the offset color for this car. So as y'all see, we got her spun around. So we was test fitting the brakes and everything for now, and then as we start going through everything, then she'll pretty much get ready, start having the control arms come off and get powder coated, so that way they look a lot cleaner and everything. So you can look through the wheels, you ain't looking at no crusty control arm. You see something nice under there. So always keep that in mind when you're building stuff like this. Don't have stuff, send it all away. But anyway, let's go ahead and start getting right into this. So here we go again. So all joints, so that's the old setup right there. Pulled off. So as you see how it looks, the C6, C7 Corvette hubs go into here and they bolt. It came with little gaskets and everything, so they'll go in there. And then that's what the brake looks like on here. I'm gonna get a powder coat. I'm trying to figure out which color to go with next. Everything on this one's gold. And everybody knows me, knows that every car I've built so far has had gold on it. So I got the valve covers back. You've seen in the last, well, you've seen on this video. The valve covers are black with the glitter bomb. So that's where the control arm is gonna go. But this caliper has to go a different color. Like I said, with this setup, you can run a Z06 Corvette rotors. So he works at Advanced, figure out how much it costs. $600 per side. So I might look online to see where I can find online. So just keep that in mind. You want to go big, it's going to be for this, the CPP. You're going to be running the Corvette setup, Z06. And it's $600 per side for that, so keep that in the back of your head. That's not including pads and everything else. But we already knew we was getting to making big boy moves. Got to spend the big boy money. And also with this setup that I'm running, the 26s need stopping power. Can't make power and not have the stopping behind it. So stop. I love my life. A little too much to be playing games on being cheap. So one thing you never want to cheap out on is your brakes, but just a mock-up. You see, I don't know, they got it all smushed down and everything. If you are putting this on and you are on the setup like I got, you're going to disconnect the sway bar link because it's going to fight you. As you see, the car it's good. The car came up and it's pretty much pushing up. I measured both to make sure it wasn't too short or anything. They both measured the same. Well, this one's actually a little bit longer than that one. So like it should be fitting, it should be working, but it's fighting with that. So I ended up taking the sway bar link off and then raising it up and went into a spot, able to like snap it down so that I can give y'all this view on what it looks like. So like I said, I'm ended up taking the upper and lower control arms off getting all those situated, powder coated, new bushings need to go in, new ball joints need to go in, and then I'll put everything back together, and then she'll be ready to go from that point on, and she'll be looking more organized and looking better. So now for this setup, so that's from the end of that, and that's what it's gonna be. So next time y'all see it, hopefully everything's back together and everything's on. It's having a lot more connectivity. So anyway, till next time, keep it macking. Peace.